Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to install Kali Linux. So first of all, we will have to download our file from kali.org. Let's see how we install. Type Kali download. mm, Go to kali.org. So I'm installing it for virtual machine. I have VMware Workstation. So I will recommend it is a virtual machine. I will go here over here VMware. Click 64-bit. I have 64-bit machine, so I will have to download 64-bit. So I have already downloaded it. I will skip this. You will have to download it if you don't have a Kali file. So I will cancel it. Cancel it. Just close it and go to downloads. I have already done it. You will have to download it first. Go to compressed. So you will find zip file here. There is a zip file. You will have to unzip it. First of all, extract it to any folder. I will extract it to documents, downloads and compressed. So I will press OK. But I have already extracted this file. So I will press cancel. You will have to press yes to all. If you haven't extracted it, it will directly extract this. So I will cancel it. Close it. Now let's see. I have extracted this file here. Kali Linux 2022. Now just start Kali Linux VMware Workstation. After starting it, close it. Now you will have to go to File and you can see here New Virtual Machine. You will have to add new virtual machine. You can also do it from here. Create a new virtual machine. Go with typical recommended, and I will install the operating system later. Take this. Here you will have to choose Kali Linux. After choosing it, you will select the version of Kali Linux. So select it 64-bit if you have a 64-bit. You can change the name of this. Now you will have to choose your file. I have downloaded it in downloads and extracted it there. So I will have to go to the compressed files, Kali Linux, go to Kali Linux and then select that folder. After selecting it, press OK. Now, if I have already installed Kali Linux on my system, I will see this. The specified location appears to contain existing virtual machine having two virtual machines. I have warning here because I have already installed Kali Linux on my system. So I can do it as a tutorial. So here we will store it on a single file. Uh, Storing it on a single file. Here we can increase the disk space, disk size. You can uh, 25 or 15 can be better if you don't work on it. I am just uh, showing you tutorial, so I will choose 15. If you have work on it, so you can also choose 25 to 50 or anything. I am choosing it 15. Next, you can see here you can customize also the hardware settings. Built-in memory is 768. You can increase it to 2 GB or 4 GB, and recommended one is 2 GB. I have also selected 2 GB. Here is your processors. I have selected 2. Then you have a network card. Network card is built-in, selected as a net. So these settings are okay. We will go with the recommended settings. After doing it, you can press finish. Here we have our Kali Linux. Now press power on this virtual machine. Your Kali Linux will get started. Here I have option, press enter. It will take some time in the start. For the very first time, it will take some time. So you will have to wait for it. Do not close it immediately. Be patient. Here we have our Kali Linux has been started. For the first time, you will have to enter the password as Kali. Built-in password is Kali and password username is Kali and also password is Kali. Both are Kali Kali. But I have changed the password and username. I have created a root and password is something that you can manage it after installing. So let's see. We have started our Kali Linux. Here it is. We have started our system.